age. The digital age has revolutionized education by integrating technology and the internet into learning processes, making education more accessible and flexible. Traditional methods are being replaced by innovative strategies that leverage digital tools, fostering a global learning community and breaking down geographical barriers. The importance of innovative teaching approaches is crucial in this era, as teachers must adapt to dynamic information and technology, providing personalized learning experience and cultivating essential skills like critical thinking and digital literacy. These strategies prepare students for a rapidly changing job market and equip them with the skills needed in the 21st century, emphasizing the significance of adapting education to the challenges of an evolving world marked by technological advancements and global interconnectedness. Understanding digital learners. Characteristic of digital learners. Tech savvy, digital learners are comfortable and proficient in using various digital devices and platforms. Multitasking. They often engage in multitasking seamlessly, navigating between different digital activities simultaneously. Preference for visual content. Digital learning are inclined towards visual stimuli such as videos, infographics, and images for enhanced comprehensions. Collaborative mindset. They value collaboration and are accustomed to working on projects and assignments in a digital interconnected environment. Learning preferences and style in the digital age. Personalize learning. Digital learners prefer tailored and individualized learning experience facilitated by adaptive learning technology, interactive and hands-on activities. They thrive on interactive and hands-on activities, enjoying simulation, virtual labs, and other engaging digital tools. Flexibility. Digital learners appreciate flexible learning schedules and locations, often utilizing online resources to fit learning into their own time frames. Preference for multimedia learning through a combination of text, audio, and visuals is preferred, catering to various learning styles within the digital realm. The role of technology in shaping learning behaviors. Immediate access to information. Technology provides instant access to a vast pool of information, encouraging digital learners to seek answers and solutions independently. Digital communication skill. With the prevalence of online communication tools, digital learners develop effective digital communication skills, including collaboration via emails, messaging apps, and video conferencing. Increase self-directed learning. Technology empowers digital learners to take control of their learning journey, fostering self-directed and motivated learners. Data-driven insights. The use of technology in education allows for the collection of data on learning behaviors, enabling teachers to tailor instruction to individual needs and preferences. Integration of technology in education. Increased engagement. Technology enhances engagement by transforming traditional static lessons into dynamic and interactive experience. Educational apps, virtual reality simulation, and interactive whiteboard capture students' attention and cater to diverse learning styles. This increased engagement fosters a more anticipatory and collaborative learning environment where students actively explore concepts rather than passively receiving information. Personalized learning experience. The integration of technology enables a shift towards personalized learning experiences. Adaptive learning platform analyze individual student performance and preferences, tailoring the curriculum to meet their specific needs. This approach accommodates different learning paces, styles, and strengths, empowering students to take control of their education and progress at their own rate, ultimately leading to improved comprehension and retention. Access to vast resources. Technology provides unparalleled access to an extensive array of education resources, online database, e-books, and educational websites offer a diverse range of materials, allowing students to explore subjects in depth. This access to a vast repository of information fosters a culture of independent research and critical thinking, preparing students for the information rich landscape of the digital age. Challenging and potential solution. Digital divide. The digital divide, characterized by disparities in technology access, presents a significant challenge. Students lacking access to devices or reliable internet may face educational inequalities. To address this, initiatives like subsidized internet program and community technology centers aim to bridge a gap, ensuring that all students have equal opportunities to benefits from the educational technology. Additionally, one-to-one device program in schools can contribute to a more equitable distribution of resources. Technological literacy among educators. Overcoming the challenges of technology literacy. Technological literacy among teachers involves comprehensive professional development. Training program should focus on not only technical skills but also strategies for integrating technology seamlessly into the curriculum, encouraging collaboration and mentorship among educators creates a supportive environment for knowledge sharing and the cultivation of best practices in using technology for educational purposes. Balancing screen time. As concern about excessive screen time arise, it becomes crucial to strike a balance between digital and non-digital learning experience. Implementing clear guidelines for screen time helps teachers manage technology uses effectively. By incorporating hands-on offline activities, teachers can provide a holistic learning experience, addressing a concern related to prolonged exposure to screens. Blended learning models combining online and offline elements offer a flexible approach that cater to individuals' needs while maintaining a healthy balance in students' overall learning experience. Flipped classroom model. The flipped classroom model is an innovative peda- pedagogical approach that reverses the traditional structure of classroom activities. In this model, students are introduced a new content through multimedia resources such as pre-recorded videos, online readings before attending class. Classroom time is then dedicated to reinforcing and applying the acquired knowledge through interactive discussion, collaborative projects, and hands on activities. The fundamental concept is a shift the traditional lecture in class, homework at home, dynamic to a more interactive and participatory learning experience. Here are some of the benefits of flipped classroom models. Active student engagement. In a flipped classroom, students actively engage with in- instructional content before class, allowing them to arrive prepared for more in-depth discussion and activity during face-to-face session. This proactive engagement enhances participation and fosters a sense of responsibility for one's own learning. Individualized learning. The flipped model accommodation diverse learning styles and paces. Students can review and revisit pre-recorded materials at their own speed, ensuring a more personalized learning experience. This flexibility empowers students to progress at a pace that suits their understanding, reinforcing concepts before moving on to new topics. Real world application of knowledge. By dedicating class time to interactive and collaborative activities, the flipped classrooms emphasizes the practical application of knowledge. Students not only acquire information but also learn how to apply it to real world scenarios, promoting critical thinking and problem solving skills essential for success in various professional academic settings. Implementation strategies. Develop engaging pre-class content. Create high-quality engaging pre-class materials such as video lectures, interactive simulation, or online readings. These resources should effectively convey key concepts and prepare students for active participation during in-person session. Facilitate and collaborative activities in class. Class time in a flipped model should be dedicated in collaborative activities, discussions, and hands-on exercise. This fosters a dynamic and interactive learning environment, allowing students to apply their knowledge with guidance and support from the instructor. Utilizing technology platforms. Leverage online platform and learning management systems to distribute pre-class materials, track students' progress, and facilitate communication. These platforms can also be used to create quizzes or assessments to gauge students' understanding the pre-class content, provide ongoing support, offer ongoing support and feedback to students as they navigate the flipped model, encourage a culture of self-directed learning, and address may challenge or concern that may arise during the implementation of this innovative pedagogical approach. Project based learning. Project based learning is an instructional approach that contents on students that centers on students working collaboratively on a project that requires them to investigate and respond to a complex question, problem, or challenge. In PBL, students actively engage in the learning process, applying their knowledge and skills to real world scenarios. The projects are typically multifaceted, incorporating various subjects and skills, and often culminate in a final presentation or product that demonstrates the depth of their understanding. Let us look at some of the benefits of PBL in the digital age. Number one, critical thinking and problem solving skills. PBL promotes critical thinking and problem solving by presenting students with authentic open-ended challenges. In the digital age, where information is readily available, students learn to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information to develop innovative solutions. This approach prepares them to navigate complex issues and make informed decisions in their academic and future professional pursuits. collaboration, and teamwork. The digital age emphasizes collaboration and connectivity. PBL naturally fosters collaboration and teamwork as students work together to achieve project goals. Though online platforms, collaborative documents, and virtual communication tools, students can collaborate seamlessly, mirroring the collaborative practices prevalent in the contemporary workforce. Authentic assessment. PBL provides authentic assessment that go beyond traditional testing. The project students undertake serve as a tangible representation of their understanding and application of concepts. Digital tools allow for diverse forms of assessment, including multimedia presentation, websites, interactive simulation, providing a more comprehensive and authentic evaluation of students' knowledge and skill. Example of successful PBL projects: community action projects. Students collaborate or projects Students collaborate on projects addressing community issues such as environmental sustainability or social justice. They research, plan, and implement initiatives leveraging digital tools to create awareness through websites, social media campaigns, or multimedia presentation. Global collaboration projects. PBL projects can connect students across geographical boundaries. For example, students from different regions collaborate on projects that explore global challenges, fostering cultural awareness and digital communication skills through virtual meeting, shared documents, and online collaboration platforms. And STEM challenges. PBL in STEM education often involves hands-on project. Students may design and build prototypes, conduct experiments, analyze data. Digital tools enhance the process, allowing students to use simulation software, virtual labs, and collaborative platforms for data analysis and project documentation. Entrepreneurship projects. Students can engage in entrepreneurial PBL by creating and launching their own business ideas. They develop business plans, design marketing materials using digital tools, and may even launch websites, online platform to showcase their products or services. Gamification in education. Gamification education involves integrating elements of game design and mechanics into the learning environment to enhance engagement and motivation. The principles of gamification include incorporating game-like features such as points, badges, leaderboards, and challenges into educational activities. It leverages the intrinsic motivators found in games such as competition, achievements, network to make learning more enjoyable and effective. Here are some of the well-known benefits of gamification that it provides when concerned with learning. Increase motivation and engagement. Gamification captivates students by introducing elements of competition, challenges, and reward. The inherent desire to achieve goals, earn points, or unlock achievements boost motivation and engagement. Students become more actively involved in the learning process as they navigate challenges and progress through levels, fostering a sense of accomplishment. Immediate feedback. Gamification provides immediate and continuous feedback, a crucial aspect for effective learning through instantaneous feedback on quiz scores, completion of tasks, or successful completion of game levels. Students receive real-time information about their performance, allowing them to reflect on their progress and make necessary adjustment promptly. Skill development, thorough gameplay. Games often require application of various skills, including problem solving, critical thinking, and strategic planning. Gamification in education allows students to develop and enhance these skills through gameplay. Simulation and scenarios in education games provide practical context for applying theoretical knowledge and making learning more experimental and applicable. More experimental and applicable. Thank you and subscribe, like, and comments, please.